What's up, everybody? Dragonrider here. Hope you guys are having a good time. For me, I'm not. I am getting very frustrated and pissed off. I'm actually heading to my bank to get some evidence to prove to my landlord that I don't owe them money. So I don't know if you guys remember a video that I did. I'll put it on the, I'll link the video up on the top right corner of the screen. An incident happened in 2015 when I was working at Royal Mail Christmas job, and I got treated unfair there, and technically that I didn't have any money to pay my rent, and I had to go back to job seekers. But problem is, Christmas was almost arrived, and I couldn't sign back on to job centre. I had to wait till next year, 2016, to apply to this new program that the government developed called Universal Credit, and I owe my landlord back then 540 something pounds, if I can remember right. I'll put it up on the screen. So the agreement was for my landlord is that I pay extra money. So each time I go in to pay my rent, I have to pay £350. On their computer it says that I paid £346.66, like I can't be bothered to pay for my arrears, and that is total. I have bank statements at home that prove that I paid £350, and there's one where I paid £300, and then the two or 3 days later I paid £90. Another one I paid £20, and basically it was just me keep on paying that sort of money, especially still paying the £350, and I'm looking through all my bank statements and it all say £350, £360, and etc, etc. Now it just gets to a point where I don't want to be with this landlord no more. But technically the only way to get out is get a job, but that's even harder for me to get out, because a couple of friends of mine who've been with the landlord, I'm not going to mention the landlord's name on the company, that the landlord says that they owe them money, then they didn't, and they had a choice to make a runner, and they did make a runner because they don't owe them money. And it's ridiculous that, you know, if you owe them money, you owe them money, and if you paid it off, you paid it off, but they're still pursuing you, saying that they still say that, oh, you owe us money, when you don't owe the money. And even I got receipts proving the outstanding balance on there, saying £166, or £160 or something like that, the outstanding balance. So I'm just like scratching my head saying, well, the person who sought me out to pay out my rent, she was the one who was doing it. So the money that I was paying extra for the arrears did not go down. The arrears didn't go down. Basically, it stayed where it is. It stayed exactly where it is. It didn't go down. It just stayed where it is. So basically, they're trying to make me pay the full amount instead of not paying bit by bit. And that was the agreement, paying bit by bit. And I'm so glad that I paid my rent by card. I'm glad I paid my rent by card. If I didn't pay my rent by card, I had probably nothing to, you know, legs to stand on. Pretty much had no legs to stand on. And this is why I'm telling you guys and girls, ladies and gents, that to pay by card, don't pay by cash. Make sure you keep your receipts. And if you do be behind on your rent, make sure that you keep on asking them to write down how much arrears you got left to keep track. So I paid my arrears for three years. And when I paid this year, the beginning of this year, I paid £144, and also I paid £350, and again it didn't gone down. And I keep on thinking to myself, where is that money gone? Where is that money gone? It just really does not make sense. And I'm getting so frustrated that they keep on pestering me and saying that I owe them money. So now every time that I leave my home, I always make sure to hide my evidence, my receipt evidence, because my landlord came into my room to fit in a fire alarm, and I didn't even know about that my fire alarm was there when I actually was cleaning out some cobwebs, because some spiders like to make cobwebs, and I went, that wasn't there. That was not there when I was living in this room and in this house. I didn't get no text message saying that someone is going to come round to your house to fit a fire alarm. I didn't get that. I may have to look at my texts and my text message or message on Facebook, because I never seen that there. Receipts that I had, some reason that's disappeared, because I had a receipt like in a money bag, like where you put pounds and pennies and all that stuff. For some reason I can't find that. It does make me wonder. So yeah, I'm heading to the bank. I have to ask them to print out a statement of a certain year, and then ask the landlord to print me a copy of the papers, and then I have to compare it to what they actually says on their papers, because bank statements do not lie. The most annoying thing is if you need to prove to get your evidence across, and the bank have to charge you £5 each of a year. So it's £15 that I have to prove. It's freaking bullshit. So that means that I have to get £15, and I don't have £15. But if I do it online, I can print it off online. But problem is, I don't have a printer. And this is a problem, that not everybody has a bloody printer. If I had a printer, oh jolly, it will be. Another problem, I don't do online banking. I just don't freaking trust it. If you don't have a good virus software or whatever you pretty much. Now I just have to go to my landlord and I have to wait till next month to get the bank statements and order them. £5 for each one for a year. Why everything has to cost money when you have to prove to a company? It's so annoying, especially oh my days, it's gonna do my freaking head in. I have to wait till next week. I am not in the mood. I'm freaking not in the mood. This is what really off the landlords. I turned around and said to the landlord, to the staff, says I'm coming tomorrow to pick up the papers, right? Asked can you be printed, and I said I will pick it up tomorrow. And obviously she turned around and said that yeah, it'll be tomorrow. She said it's from the old system and I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. I thought, alright, see you tomorrow. So the day has come for me to pick it up. One, she's not in. Two, is not on the desk. And the woman turns around and says, well, how it stands in our system, you did not pay an extra amount of money. Well, I have proof that I actually did it. Paid £350, £300, £90 on the same month. Ridiculous. It's like that she just like creating time to get things prepared. So one, I can't freaking get a print for the bank statements, and some of the bank statements is actually missing. I don't have freaking February, June, and I got like a couple of Aprils and all that stuff. So my bedroom is actually upside down, trying to find the rest of the 2016 papers, all the bank statements. I'm heading off home. I'm freaking so pissed off, raging as fuck. I'll let you guys know how it goes on this. This is
you've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me, girl. You can vibe with me.